Hi people, this is Nettie again. I always move the camera. Okay, so these are cilantros. These are the ones that we bought. As you can see, I did the video on it, how you plant it, and wait for it to grow a little bit. Now I'm gonna take all these old stems. I got my scissors here to cut it right off. So I'll be right back, and you can see how it looks. This, oh, by the way, this, if you do this, you have to, let me see if I could see it, cut it a little bit, right here, right there. You see, you have to have a sharp scissors, where you don't move it a lot, because remember, the stem is not really there. They need to, how you call it, grow the roots, not the stem, the roots are not really there. So if it's not there, you can't move it too much. You have to be very careful with it. This is the best way I have been able to grow it. It's very hard to grow them because when you water them too much, they die. So what I did is I put it here. I filled the bottom one. This is 2 cups. I put a little bit of water in the bottom one and just let them take water from there. This is the best way you could do it. As you can see, this is one plant and it's growing. So I'm going to cut all these and I'll be right back. Well, now you can see the green parts. As you can see right there. All these little things that are dried out, you could cut them down. You got to be very careful though, because some of them are covering the new leaves that are coming out. So you have to be very, very careful. But, with a real sharp knife, not how you call it, scissor, real sharpness scissor that has a pointy area, it will be the best to actually cut them down. I'm watching something. You want to see something? There it goes. I don't know what they like there, but they're all joining in there. Look at it. There's 4 of them. There comes another one. I don't know what's in that spot, but they're loving it. I think they're taking a bath or something. I don't know. Oh, because it's dusty. It's the dirt is soft. Cause that's where they park their cars. So, ooh, where are you? Oh, that's where you park their cars. So they are looking, I don't know, they enjoying it there. So, these chickens are not mine, as you can see, but they're my family's. They walk around like my dog walks around, and we don't have him tied up since he's not a dangerous animal. The only way that is, the neighborhood would say, tie him up if it's a dangerous dog, But otherwise, they let him do. She don't bother the chickens, but she does bother the, how you call that? Those big giant lizard. They go off on that. So go back to the video. Okay, so this is the way you cut it. You're gonna see more and more cilantro coming out, and it's gonna flourish. And some of them might die, some of them might make it. But now I'm going to put a little bit of water in the bottom because I noticed it doesn't have water in the bottom. So, that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Hey, try to do this thing. You never know when there's an emergency. And from, how you call it? From garlic, onions, you can do something like this. And you have still onions to cook or eat, whatever. But we got to prepare ourselves. We don't know what's coming right now. These 2 storms together really worried us, and we have to, how you call it, start looking for ways of doing lighting instead of batteries. And I'm waiting for my rechargeable batteries. I have one of these things that looks like a cellular, and you put it under the sun, and I'm planning to get more of those, because just one is not going to make it. So I'm planning to get a few of them where I could just use the sun and charge it up. It's great. I could use it also in the, charging it by electricity, because right now, we don't have a problem with light. But if the light goes off, we do have that, because it has a flashlight also. So we do have that prepared. So saying this, God bless you all, and try this. You never know when you're going to have to use something like this. Besides, it saves you money. So that's the best part. It saves you money. So God bless you all. Bye-bye.